Hi there, Crafty Peeps. Enis here from Papercrafting with Enis, and I'm on today to share my very first diamond painting. I'm really excited to have done this, and let me just tell you why I got into this little diamond painting project. Lynn from Diamond Grandma 1048 on YouTube is hosting a diamond painting craft event, and the co-host is Diana from Diana Loves Color here on YouTube. And the two ladies have gotten together. I don't know if this is an annual event or whatever, but I know this is Diana's first time co-hosting. But anyway, what you had to do is either a diamond painting or some other type of craft that is in a fantasy theme. Now, these two ladies do know that fantasy means a lot of different things to a lot of different people, so they are very open to people's interpretation of fantasy. And what I did here was a phoenix, and how I came about this phoenix itself is I was thinking about the Harry Potter movies. And, you know, Dumbledore, he had the phoenix and that saved Harry in one of the movies. And yeah, it's really a mythical, wonderful creature. And when I saw this diamond painting, I thought, you know what, that sounds good. And it's the perfect project because it's only 6 inches by 6 inches. It's really small. It was super easy. A little bit of instruction, but once I got started, I was addicted and I couldn't stop. Yeah, I started like on a Friday evening. I got all the black done and a little bit of this brown here, and I was so excited about it. When I got up on Saturday, I finished the whole rest of it. Yeah, I was a little obsessed with it, but I am glad I got it done. I didn't know how long it was going to take me. I figured it was going to take me a long time since I had never done it before, but it really was super easy. But anyway, these two ladies are hosting this event, and it started on April 1st. It ends on April 30th. And what you will need to do is go to one of their videos that talks about the event, and I will put that in the description box below, and let them know that you want to enter. You can do your projects and post them on your YouTube page. And if you do that, you need to use the hashtag FantasyLife24 so that Diana or Lynn can find your projects. Or you can actually post it on Lynn's Facebook page, and I will put a link to that page in my description box below because off the top of my head, I can't remember what it is. But there are going to be prizes. Both ladies will have prizes. It is open international as well as domestic, and I think if you are a international winner, it will be a gift card or a credit someplace. Or if you're domestic, it will be a physical prize. What those prizes are, I have no idea. But anyway, so yeah, this is my painting. Like I said, it was super easy. Look at how sparkly and beautiful that is. I'm not sure what you do with it from here. I think there's some kind of sealant you put on it, and they sell frames that these can go in. Of course, I don't have any of that stuff. I didn't want to invest a lot of money because I didn't know if I was going to like this or not, but I really did have a lot of fun. And when I purchased this, I did actually buy 2 others because I got these on Temu and they were super inexpensive. So let me show you the other 2 I got. Both of them in fantasy theme as well. This one here is a dragon, and it also is the 6x6, so I think that's pretty cool. And I think these would look really good together if you had a room that you wanted to hang these in. It's not really my style, but yeah, I might give them to somebody who will appreciate them. And then I also picked up this one here that was a little bit larger. And actually, this was the first one I bought. But after I bought this and it was being shipped, then I found the smaller ones. So I put this one aside when it came in and started the smaller one. And this one here is a 10 by 10. So, you know, it is a little bit bigger, but after doing the first one, it's not really intimidating at all. I will be excited to start these other projects, but I will be back to my paper crafting starting tomorrow. I do have to film my projects that I did for Decorate Your Life with the La Condesa paper collection. I was supposed to have that out in March, but with the holiday and other deadlines I had going on, I didn't get to it, but the projects are finished. I finished them up tonight, and I'm going to film that tomorrow, so you are going to get to see that later on in the week. And just so you know, for those of you who don't know, I did hit over 1,000 subscribers last week, and was super excited about that. And the projects that I did with the La Condesa paper collection are actually going to be a prize for a contest that I'm going to do to celebrate my 1,000 plus subscribers. So definitely be watching my channel for that video and some more details. And yeah, really excited about that. I really don't plan to be monetized. I'm working full time, and you know, I don't really need to do that. And frankly, I don't want to mess around with the tax implications with being monetized. But who knows? Maybe if I get to retire soon, fingers crossed, then I can jump on and do that. But right now, I'm just really excited to hit that milestone, 1,000 subbies. It was a personal goal of mine, and I am super excited. And I want to thank all of my subscribers for your awesome support. And yeah, clicking that subscribe button, watching my videos, leaving comments, it all counts and helps out everybody's channels. So yeah, without all of you, there is no way I could have hit 1,000 subscribers. Super excited. Big thank you to all of you. So that's all I've got for you today. Yeah, if you're interested, check out the description box below and get more details on either Lynn or Diana's channels. And I will catch you all on the next crafty video. See you later, Crafty Peeps. Bye.